Hello everyone, this is try number 2 of doing a platformer tutorial for Clickteam. I don't know why I screwed up last time, but I won't this time. It'll actually work, I promise. Alright, I mean I don't promise, but like, you know, I hope. So anyways, yeah. First of all, we're gonna be making a platformer game in Clickteam Fusion 2.5. If you're using any other version or Multimedia Fusion, then this probably won't work. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. So let's just call it tutorial platformer, or whatever you're calling your platformer. And first, and also, I mean second, but yeah, whatever. We're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna go here to the properties window. And then we're going to make it, go to size here, and make the proportions, the first one, 1920 by 1080. And when it asks you if you would like to modify the size of the frames that have the same size as the application window, just say yes. I'm going to make my, okay, so we're going to make the main menu. So yeah, okay, so here's a little trick. You could do this, like, you know, make an active and use that as the background or something, but that's way too much work, and you could just be doing this, what I'm about to do. So click on the frame, go to properties, and then go to background color, and then make it black or whatever you're gonna make your main menu color, and boom, there we go. So now we're gonna make we're gonna insert object, we're gonna make a string, and we're gonna say whatever your game is called. For me, it's tutorial platformer. Alright, and I'm gonna make it terminal just because I like terminal font. 35 for me. That's not big enough, hold on. 50. That's better. Actually, come on. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna check if it's centered, because, you know, it won't look good if it wasn't centered. Okay. So now we're gonna add an active. I'm gonna make it whatever color you want to, because it's not even gonna be visible, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna make it lime green, and we're gonna stretch it out to match how big the button for starting is gonna be. Now we're gonna insert a string. Actually, first we're gonna wanna rename the button here to whatever you want. I'm gonna name it start, to, like, yeah, because it's the start button. Anyways. Okay, anyways. We're gonna say start on the string. Alright, and now we're going to terminal, and we're going to make it around this size. Yeah, that looks good. Of course, you can make it as big as you want. You can make it white so it contrasts with the background. Alright. And now, gonna rename the string start string. And then, as you can see, we're gonna add a new frame 2, and it's supposed the start button is supposed to take you to frame 2. But oh no, it's not taking us there. Where is it? What's going on? Well, that's because obviously we don't have any code yet. So I mean, yeah, that's probably the most important part. So let's click on new condition here, and we're gonna so first we're gonna do this. We're go to the mouse pointer and keyboard. Sorry, I can't talk today. Okay, actually, let me go back. The mouse, user clicks on an object. Okay, and you can customize here what kind of click it is that you want. I'm going to do a left button single click, just kind of a normal click like this. And anyways, you want to choose what object the player has to click on, so we're going to choose the start button, and we're going to make it so when the user clicks on the start button, we're going to go to the little chessboard here, storyboard controls, and we're going to say jump to frame 2. So now, whenever we click on the start button, it takes us to frame 2. Hold on, let me just make that frame 2 block 2. Yeah, so now we have a functioning main menu. Hold on. Let me just center this a little bit more. Okay, that was better. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make frame 2 kind of a sky blue, I guess. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, and now we're gonna make a backdrop, and make sure we're not using an active, okay? Because if we use an active, we're not gonna be able to use this platform or anything. It's just gonna be kind of useless. So we're gonna make a backdrop. We're gonna make a backdrop. Don't use an active backdrop or a quick backdrop. We just want a regular backdrop. Okay. So now we're gonna make some grass. So we're gonna do this. Alright, that looks good. And now, we're gonna click on the backdrop we have over here. We're gonna click on it over here. And we're gonna click over here, paint mode, or you can press T, the T button on your keyboard. And obviously now, we have the little backdrop as our cursor. And what we can do now is we can draw it wherever we want. Alright, anyways. Oh crap. Yeah, we're just gonna delete that. Okay. Anyways, now we want a player. So we're gonna insert object. We're gonna do an active, and we're gonna put it here. And now we can just make a player. I'm just gonna do a little stick figure here. You can make whatever you want. I'm just gonna do a stick figure. Oh. Oh. Okay. Alright. And now we have a player. And we're going to name him Herbert. you can name him whatever you want. Obviously, I'm just naming him Herbert. Yeah, so now when we go here, oh, actually, yeah, like it stays there, but you can't move him. So what happened? How do we play? How do we play the game? So what you want to do is you're gonna want to insert an object off screen, so it doesn't, so you can't see it. You're gonna do platform movement object, and if you don't see it in your manager, then just go to manager, and you want to go to platform. You want to type in platform movement object, and as you can see, there it is. I have it installed, but you can install it. You have to install it for this thing to work. I already have it, so I'm not going to install it, but just press the install button and have it installed. And then it'll show up. So now, we're going to put in the platform movement object off screen. And also, if you see all this, you can just keep it like that. You don't have to change it. Okay, so now we're going to go to the event editor over here. Or you can obviously just press Control E, or Command E if you're using Mac. And we're gonna click on this, the little cogs here. And we're gonna, oh wait, no, sorry. We're gonna click on the chessboard, start a frame, and we're going to click on this, and we're going to go to set object, and we're going to set it to Herbert, or whatever we named our player. And as you can see, now we can move him, but, well, I mean, no, we can't move him yet. It just makes him fall through the floor. And now, first, we want to set these things to obstacles. And now we're going to test a collision, overlapping a backdrop, and we're going to also insert test for obstacle overlap, and we're going to move that above the thing here. And now it does overlap with an obstacle. And now, as you can see, our guy is going through the floor, so obviously you're going to want to do that, and you're going to do test for obstacle overlap, and then select the object. Okay, let me show that again. You're going to want to go to collisions, obstacle does overlap, object does overlap with an obstacle. And now, he isn't falling through the floor. Yay. But obviously now he still can't move. So we're going to close out of this, and we're going to go to keyboard, mouse pointer and keyboard, and we're going to go to the keyboard, and upon pressing a key, upon pressing a key, we're going to do right arrow or whatever you want to do for your right input. And we're going to go over to the platform movement object, and we're going to do where is it? On user input. There we go. And user's holding right input key. And now we can move him to the right. But obviously I made a little whoopsie-oopsie. And you actually have to do repeat while pressing the key is pressed. And now he can move to the right. But there's still a problem because he can't move to the left. And he's going to fall off frame, and that's going to be a problem too. So, we're going to move this down here. We're just going to copy paste that to the next line. And we're going to edit. And you're going to press left arrow. And you're going to delete that. And you're going to go to on user input. User's holding left input key. And now he can move to the right and the left. Cool. And now, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do, upon pressing a key, you can do whatever for, you can do basically anything for your up input or jump input. I'm gonna do up arrow. We're gonna do on user input jump. And now obviously there's a problem because it's flying into the air, and we don't want that. So obviously object states object is standing on ground, and upon pressing up arrow, yeah, I don't know if hold on. Alright, I'm back, and I realized that I made a little whoopsie. Okay. It's bound to happen in coding, and I made a whoopsie. Object states, object is standing on ground. So upon pressing up arrow and the object is standing on the ground, and you can jump. But if he's not, then he won't jump. So now, obviously, we have a little guy, but you know, there's nothing to do here. And also, yeah, if you fall off frame, then that's it. So we're gonna do we're gonna go to Herbert. We're gonna do pick or count, compared to the number of Herbert objects in a zone or whatever you named your player. And we're gonna go over here. We're gonna if there's no Herberts in the screen, on the screen, then it'll teleport him back. It'll teleport him back to the beginning. So then we'll go to position, select position, and set his position to there, and let's test it out. Oh crap! Yeah, this isn't good. So I made a whoopsie again. There are no Herberts in this zone. Alright, yeah, 0. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I made a mistake, and it counted only this part around here, and obviously he's not around there yet, so it just kept teleporting him to there. Alright, now, whenever he dies, he goes back there. Okay, cool. And now, yeah, that's not it yet, because we still have to make, a goal and stuff. So, we're gonna go to backdrop again, we're gonna paint again. We're gonna do some stuff here, and we're gonna do some stuff here. I mean, you can obviously do whatever you want for the whole layout. I was gonna do this because it's you know, easy for Herbert to jump to. All right, yeah. And now we're gonna insert an object, active, and we're gonna insert it. We're gonna make a whole flag here or whatever you want. I'm just gonna make a little flag. Alright, and we're gonna name it flag. And it's gonna, when we collide with it, okay, so collision's another object, just a collision with a flag, and we're gonna make a new frame here, called, I guess we could just keep it as frame 3, and we can jump to frame 3, which is level 3. Level 2, sorry. Level 2. This is level 1. And it's going to teleport you to level 2. So now, let's test it out. Oh, sorry. It doesn't work if you, if you only do one frame, then, press F8, not F7. That won't work. Hold on. I made another whoopsie, dang. Replace that. Overlapping another object. Herbert. Okay, so now it's gonna work, I swear. I really hope. Yeah, it's gonna work. Don't worry. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, I made that mistake again. Dang. Yeah, you gotta press F8 and not F7. You're pressing F7. Dang. Okay. All right. And now we're done. For now, because obviously there's more. But yeah. Please, if this helped, then like the video and subscribe if you want to. Yeah. Bye.